Hey guys, welcome back to House of Organic Beauty. So let's get into it. As you've seen from the title, this is an unboxing of my new shampoo bowl. Amen. Amen. Okay. So I've had this shampoo bowl for like over a month now. So, okay, this video is old. So as you can see, I don't know why they put the empty box in there. Maybe protection. I don't know what it was, but it was in there. Thank you for the free box. So right now, all I'm doing is trying to unbox this thing. Okay. I think the same morning I had injured my back. It wasn't a good morning. I was over it already. Everyone was sleeping and I was too excited to like open this thing up. So I'm like, okay, I might as well wake up early to see if I can get things started before everyone wakes up. Okay, but you know that's never the plan, for real. But it's all good. Okay, so I eventually got the box off. It wasn't hard at all. And they kind of kept the shampoo bowl protected. You know, they wrapped it. There was foam on the bottom of the box and stuff. And don't mind the mess. All that stuff is going to the thrift store, okay? So now I'm using a box cutter. Well, I was using a box cutter. And I decided to use some scissors because it was easier to get this stuff off of the shampoo bowl. I will try to leave a link, but it was, I don't know. It was quite expensive, but because it was necessary, I didn't mind paying for it. So there's a shampoo bowl. Like I mentioned, please don't mind my background. Okay, so this is the shampoo bowl. Right here is the on outlet, okay? And this is the sink. It came with instructions. So please make sure you read the instructions first, like I'm doing here. Do not turn on heater before reading instructions. No. Okay, so this is the power cord. I don't know why I thought it didn't come with a power cord, but yeah, that's the hose. I was going to change out the hose, but I don't think that's a smart idea because you don't want to get a hose that shoots out more water, because the more water that shoots out, the faster the water will run out. So this is the things that it came with. The sink is deep enough. The only thing I would have wanted was the sink to be a little wider. And also for the doors to be like on the back side for when I want to like change the water out, but that's about it. I did purchase a neck cushion prior to purchasing this. This was like maybe a year ago, and it clearly fits this. So I'll be alternating between this neck cushion and the other one. I'll be seeing which one's more comfortable for my client, and then just go with that one. If one is dirty, then I'll use the other one. This one right here, I think it gives the client more of a like a booster in a sense, and it's wider. But this one, the jelly looking one, is softer. So yeah, it came with instructions. That's just basically how the water heater and stuff operates, because the little machine to your far bottom right side, that's what controls the hot water and the cold water, okay? The water heater. So this is the instructions right here that you need to read before you do anything. So make sure you guys read those instructions. I ended up pasting those instructions to the door because just in case, you know, you never know. I'm a just in case chick, so yeah. So right here we have the fresh water tank. It was kind of a struggle to take that little piece out, but eventually I ended up taking it out. You see that I have two. That is because I ended up buying an extra one from Walmart online though. Just in case, you have to have an extra one because, child, you don't want to go and refill while the client's there, or when you have a second client just waiting. No, you have to have a second one so you could just swap it out. So right now I am filling it up with distilled water. I didn't know where my larger funnel was. I knew where my smaller funnel was, but my larger one, I ended up finding it, and that's what I keep under the sink for when I need to fill up. That's, it's right there ready to be used. So I fill up this tank with 6 gallons of distilled water. If you watch my other videos, the main reason I use distilled water or gallon water is because the water in my house is basically horrible. It destroyed our hair, so now I have to use gallon water, and I decided to use gallon water for my clients as well. Distilled water is just the purest water. It doesn't have all those minerals and all that stuff that's unnecessary, so I just want to use the cleanest. I get mine from Walmart because it's the cheapest, but I'm still looking around to see if I should, what's cheaper, if I can get it somewhere else that's cheap. So Walmart is my best bet, especially if I'm going to provide the water. I would recommend you get it from Walmart. So hubby came in, he's clutch. He came in, honey. We did not end up filling. Well, did we end up filling it up? Because we definitely wanted to test it out to see what works, because the instructions did say that you have to fill up the tank with water. So make sure you have enough, water to fill up the tank so you can test it out, at least a gallon. And then we ended up putting I think this was called the spigot or the sprout. I don't know. When you get yours, you'll see, honey. Hubby ended up putting it, sliding it inside, because you do not want to carry this. It is not it. Okay, it's too heavy. So I don't recommend it. Please make sure that the water heater has water by opening the hot water on the other side.
Alright, so you gotta let it come for a little bit. And then
please do not turn on the water heater before completing step 9. So,
what's this?
That's an extra one that I had.
Alright, so
Once the water heater is flowing, it said once the water heater is flowing. I got it. Close the faucet. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. I don't know what's going on. You didn't cut on the water heater, right? The faucet's done? pressure. Let's not, you know.
Don't mind, we just take it out and put it back in. Okay.
You're right. Okay, so it says turn on the water pump. Okay. Please wait for the water pump to fill the whole system with water. How you know it's being filled though?
I think this water is going into the pump.
Yeah, but how you know it's filled?
I don't know. I mean, well, now I believe it's filled because the water's coming out.
Okay. Where's the faucet connected to?
The faucet's connected to the black
Just in case I need to change in the future.
black stuff.
For a higher pressure, you know? No, higher pressure, that's not good. Because that means wasting more water. Anyways, please wait for the water pump to fill. Please make sure that the water heater has water by opening the hot water on the hot water side faucet.
You can't change the setting.
Oh, no.
This is the spigot. So when it's saying empty,
Oh.
turn the water on, turn everything on, let it run, let it empty out.
I have to take this off? This out?
Yeah.
And put it where? Like outside?
No, hold it up.
Like this?
Yeah. And then let the water run. Leave this in, let the water run out of the pump. And then
Oh, okay.
leave it on.
So right here, all we're doing, well, okay, all he's doing is adding the fresh water back into the freshwater tank because, I mean, it's obvious we did not use it. We just wanted to test it out. And that's the small little funnel that I was talking about. I ended up finding a larger one, which works amazing. So I recommend having a funnel. If you don't have steady hands like myself or my husband's, then a funnel would be nice, okay? Because you don't want to be wasting water, all right? Especially the fact that you have to buy the water. You do not want to waste it. You said turn it on? Oh, okay. And then the water heater? Oh, thank you.
This is the water heater. All of this is the water heater. Once you turn this on, it turns on the water heater, turns on the whole system.
Okay.
But this has to go on first before you turn the water pump on. So now that the water heater and all of this stuff is on, starting to heat up, boop, 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 boop. Then this goes on. Right? It's on. Don't worry. And then
That's the wrong chair, sir. Oh, yeah, already break it. Go ahead, break it. Break it. So as I mentioned early on in the video, I am pasting the instructions right inside of the door. I have my gloves on deck. You want gloves because when removing the wastewater tank, you want to make sure, you don't want to be touching, the nasty water now. I have 2 water gallons, in total 3. I have this microfiber towel that I will be laying inside of the shampoo bowl just to pick up excess water, just in case if it falls in there. I overthink things. Okay, I'm not gonna say I overthink things. No, I'm not gonna say that. No way. But I am a just in case girl. So I'm like, just in case water spills inside the tank, then I'm gonna have time for that. So I use it, I'm using it on the floor for now, but it's gonna go up in that wastewater tank once it's clean. So this is where I'm going to put it. Eventually, the Lord will blessed me even more with a with a shop. So yeah, this is a towel that I don't use. I will be using that right underneath the chair so it can kind of catch any spillage, you know. You see I put the blue towel on top of it, but it's going to go inside the I didn't think about it that time, but it will end up inside the shampoo bowl underneath the 2 tanks. My husband, he's friendly. He just wants me to wash his hair and then twist it up. But that day I was going out of town and he just didn't seem to care. He wanted me to do his hair. I haven't packed or anything. Yeah, but anyways, I was testing out the bowl. He's a tall dude, so he said it fit just right. But yeah, I'm just testing it out. Ooh. Ah. Oh, I don't think you guys understand. This stuff is a lifesaver, honey. Like, it's a lifesaver. I'm always messing with him. I do recommend you purchasing this because it just saves so much time. Like, it really does. FYI, it is a little cheap, like the plastic part, especially the part that's actually holding that top sink head. It is cheap, I'm not going to lie. And it tells you too, they tell you like, bruh, handle it with care. It is made cheap, okay? Basically, you're paying for the labor because people actually made this on their own, but you have to buy parts. I'm not a handy person. My husband's not that handy either. And I did look for YouTube videos where I can maybe assemble this myself, like buy all the pieces myself and then, just do it myself. But it was too much. So I rather pay somebody to put everything all together, all the little puzzle pieces, and then I just pick up the puzzle pieces. Okay. I don't know. That's one less stress. No, because I overthink things and it will just be a hot mess. So the pieces are a little cheap, so you're not supposed to like hold it, when you move it, you have to move it with care in one piece. So thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, be blessed. Deuces.